Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some futures analysis over on the nat gas futures. So this is ticker NG. Now firstly, why am I doing analysis on this? And it was more because something I saw quite strange when looking at it today. So at 10:30 every Thursday you have the nat gas inventory release. Now what was quite weird on today's release is usually as soon as the release comes out you get a big move, usually at least kind of a 30 to 50 tick move within about 2-3 seconds of the release, and then a big move overall within the minute. Now today it still made a relatively big move within the minute, but it didn't actually act for about 20 to 30 seconds in, which again not something I've seen personally for kind of at least going back maybe 6 or so months. So it was just, I saw that again, so it didn't provide the trade opportunity because it's usually something I trade. And then I was like, okay, why did it not move? Couldn't really see too much about it, but it just made me want to zoom out and look at it on a longer term trend and see maybe what's happening here. So to quickly go over the supports, which I don't think are going to matter all that much, we have two, basically one at 1.09 and another one at 0.735. Now these are very far off from where we are now, so that's why I said they probably don't matter, probably not going to be anything we hit in the near future. But what we have been hitting, and kind of key to note as of right now, is at around 2.67. We have our first deviation on the 1 year. So this was broken before, we got that retest, and then we confirmed that downward move. Now though, it looks like we've come back to retest it, looks like we've broken a bit above it, and now what we really want to be watching for is, can this level hold? So again, coming back for that retest, if that level can hold, we can break a bit higher up. The support's most likely held, and then this is where we could start seeing a bit more reversal. So that's definitely something I'm paying attention to. If we can break that, then my target on that would be around 328. Now again, that's not going to be the absolute final target, but that is where I'd be locking in the bulk of profits. Again, probably if I do trade this, I'll be trading it through an ETF, just because futures I like to day trade, futures I don't swing. I think they're just too leveraged to really be swinging. So again, for me, if I'm trading it, it's through options, probably on an ETF side. But that would be my overall target. If we can break that though, then this is really where I think we'd start seeing that breakout to the upside. And again, that might just be the seasonal rotation. But if we do, we're looking at around 450. If we can break higher, we're looking at about 550, then 650 and 775. Now, some of these are very far off, so we won't really go higher than that. But I think the key thing is just watching kind of where we are now. Can we hold this at support at around 267? If we can, again, good chance, and our target would be around 328. So that's really the main trade plan I'm looking for right now. If we end up breaking to the downside again, not going to be something I trade unless we come into the support all the way down there. But again, probably not something we're going to hit anytime soon. And then also the target past 327 is just so far off, at least for the time being, not going to be something we hit all that soon. So really that's why I said my main focus is on just these two levels here. If we can hold this support, and if we can break back kind of above probably this 2875, then there's a good chance we can get to that 327, and that's really what I'll be looking at overall for a trade plan on nat gas. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe? Let me know if you're holding nat gas or you're trading it. And if you are trading it, how are you trading it? Is it through futures or are you trading it through ETFs? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.